Okay, here are my biggest tips for push-ups. Okay, first is elbow placement. Okay, where do your elbows go? Okay, and for me, it's going to be 45 degrees. Okay, so I'm not out here and I'm not down here, right in between. Okay, the second thing is hand placement. Okay, we have a tripod, 3 points of contact in our hand with the surface, just like we do with the feet. Okay, so those 3 points of contact are going to be right here, knuckle of that last finger, knuckle of the second finger, and in the heel of the hand here. Okay, the thumb is nice and long and wide and pressing into the floor as well. Okay, we are going to maintain those 3 points of contact throughout the push-up. But there's going to be little differences as we go into the push-up. So as you're coming down into your push-up, okay, your pressure is going to migrate into the back corner of the heel of this hand. Okay, you're still maintaining contact through here, but it's just going to slide a little bit more into the back of the heel of the hand. As you're pushing through, okay, away from the wall or from the floor or whatever surface you're on, that pressure is going to move a little bit more into this inside corner of the heel of the hand, right up in through here, okay? So we're maintaining the contact through here. We're just sort of switching where we feel pressure in the heel of the hand, okay? So as we come down, it goes a little bit more here, but we're still maintaining contact. And as we push away, we create a little drive into this part of the hand right here. And the third tip is maintaining good ground and contact with your feet when you're doing your push-up, okay? So if you have good contact with your hands, good contact with your feet, you're going to have a better chance of having a nice, solid connection through your center, okay? So we're gonna have, I like to start people on the wall, okay? You're gonna have your hands on the wall, and you're going to really be feeling the ball of the feet into the ground here. So spread those toes, push the ball of the feet into the ground. The heels are off the ground, but they are heavy and they are engaged, okay? I have my knees slightly bent here, okay? So if you're here on the toes, you're gonna be putting a lot more pressure into your shoulders and your neck instead of distributing that force across your whole body. So heels are up, we're pushing the feet into the ground. We've got that nice, firm, solid tripod of hand contact. We're gonna continue to push the feet into the ground. We're gonna let the elbows come off to the side, move the weight into the outside corner of the hand, and then we're gonna push and we're gonna drive that pressure into the inside corner of the palm there, okay? You can do the same thing on a table, counter, or lower surface like this, okay? Knees slightly bent, we're pressing down through the ball of the foot, okay? We're pressing in through the hands, okay? We've got our kind of belly and ribs pulled in and our chest up at the same time. We're gonna take a nice breath in there. Okay, we're gonna lower down, get into the outside heel of that hand, elbows come off to the side. We're gonna exhale, push, 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 push through that inside corner of that palm, okay? Make sure you're not losing the front of the hand with either of those directions, okay? I am pushing down to come through, okay? I am just allowing my elbows to come back to a straight position through that push, okay? I talked about breath a little bit there, okay? I like to take a nice sort of preparatory breath here, nice and fill it up, get ready. I kind of hold my breath as I come down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and exhale all the way through.